Hi, in this video, we will see install Eclipse in Windows machine. So what is Eclipse? Eclipse is one of the IDEs to write the Java code or to develop Java based applications. Okay, so let's go to google.com in my browser. So here just install Eclipse. Okay, then search install Eclipse in your Google, and this is the first link, Eclipse installer 2021 dot -12 or just click on this. So now you'll find download section here, Mac, Windows, Linux. For Windows, you just click on this link and it will navigate to this location, and again click on this download. Okay, as Eclipse is uses this is exe file, so just click on save to download. And as Eclipse is open source, so they are asking donate to the Eclipse community from the $5 to $100. You can donate if you wish. That is not mandatory. So it is downloaded. So I'll go to this location. So it's still downloading, not yet completed. So it's done. We'll go to this folder, and as it is exe, you just double click on this. So it is preparing to launch. You see here. So Eclipse installer, take some time. So here it will give you the option to choose which Eclipse you want to install. Not yet downloaded fully. You see that Eclipse IDE for Java developers or enterprise Java and web development, or for C++ or some PHP developers. So I'm interested in Eclipse IDE for Java developers is enough for us to practice Java. Click on this. You see that it needs Java 11 plus. Okay, so we installed Java 17, JDK 17, and the installation folder is C users Krish Eclipse. Inside this Java 2021-12. In this location, it will create. Create shortcut menu entry, create desktop shortcut. If you wish, you can do. I'm just clicking on this install. So it is installing. It is asking us to accept the license agreement. Accept now. So it will take some time to install this. It took some time for me. So for you also, it will take some time. So once it is done, you need to click on this launch. So now it will open Eclipse IDE 2021-12. So while launching also, first time it will take some time. Even Eclipse is a bit slow. When you open Eclipse or close Eclipse, it will take some time. You see that it is asking you to select a directory. So by default, C users Krish Eclipse workspace. So it is default. If you want, you can change the location, but I'm not doing that. I'm just clicking on the launch. So it is launching Eclipse IDE for the first time. I'm using Windows 11 machine. The same procedure for Windows 10 also. So as it is first time, it will take some time. So it's done. You see, it looks like for the first time. This is the welcome page. Here you will find create a hello world application, create a new Java project, check out from the Git, import existing project, something like that. So here you'll have a checkbox, always show welcome at startup. So click on this. So if you want to see this welcome screen every time, you just click on this checkbox. Otherwise, don't check. Just close this welcome. Then you see in the left side, you have a package explorer. Here you can see your created projects, create a Java project, okay, create a project, something like that. And here where I'm moving my mouse, here you can see the files and you can write the code here. So this is the first glance of Eclipse IDE. Okay, this is how you can download and install Eclipse in your machine. So what could be the possible interview questions? So what is the purpose of Eclipse? So if you have less experience, people might ask what is the purpose of Eclipse and why you use Eclipse and how you will get the Eclipse in your machine and which version of Eclipse you are using. Most of the times, nobody will ask these questions, but make sure you should get everything. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.